Meaning of diagonal.
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 Diagonal. The term diagonal is commonly used in geometry to describe a straight line that connects opposite corners of a two-dimensional shape, such as a square or rectangle. This line divides the shape into two congruent triangles and has a length equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the shape's sides. In practical terms, knowing the length of a diagonal can be useful in determining the size of a screen or monitor, as well as in calculating the distance between 2 points in three-dimensional space.